Welcome back, everybody. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I actually have GPT-4o here. I have the voice assistant model, and I'm going to be asking it a few questions to see if it's a viable option to learn Spanish or if it's kind of just a fad that's going to go by. So yeah, let's get started. OpenAI, introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. I'm ChatGPT, based on OpenAI's GPT-4. I'm here to answer your questions about learning Spanish and whether using AI for language learning is just a trend or something truly beneficial. Let's get started.
Awesome. You ready for your first question?
Absolutely, I'm ready. What's your first question?
What specific aspects of language learning can you help with people?
I can assist with several aspects of language learning, including vocabulary building, grammar explanations, pronunciation practice, conversational practice, and providing cultural context. I can also help with translating sentences and offering exercises or practice scenarios to enhance your learning experience.
That's pretty cool. So, are you able to do like live translations?
Yes, I can help with live translations. Just provide me with the text you want to translate, and I'll give you the Spanish equivalent, or vice versa.
Okay, so let's say I want you to translate something into various different languages. Would you be able to do that?
Yes, I can translate text into various languages, including Spanish, French, German, Italian, and many others. Just let me know what you need translated, and I'll take care of it for you.
Okay, so I want you to translate this next phrase into Spanish, Japanese, and Chinese.
Sure, go ahead and give me the phrase you'd like translated.
My stomach hurts.
Here are the translations. In Spanish, me duele el estómago. In Japanese, onaka desu. In Chinese,
Oh, you didn't say anything for Chinese.
I apologize for that. Here it is again. In Spanish, me duele el estómago. In Japanese, ofagatitis. In Chinese, 我肚子疼.
Okay, so I know for a fact that the Spanish one was accurate. I don't know about the other two, but that's pretty cool. Can you tailor your teaching styles to different learning preferences?
Yes, I can tailor my teaching styles to different learning preferences. Whether you prefer visual aids, interactive exercises, conversational practice, or step by step explanations, I can adapt to meet your needs and help you learn Spanish or any other language in a way that suits you best.
Okay, how about practice and activities? Are you able to provide that for people?
Yes, I can provide various practice exercises and activities. These can include vocabulary quizzes, grammar exercises, pronunciation practice, and interactive conversation scenarios. Just let me know what specific type of practice or activity you're looking for, and I'll create something tailored to your needs.
Okay, I want to do a short demonstration of a short conversation where uh, I say something in English and then you say it in Spanish.
Sounds great. Go ahead with your first sentence in English, and I'll translate it into Spanish.
What time is it?
¿Qué hora es?
I was supposed to be at the hotel by 9 o'clock, and it's already 8:30.
Se suponía que debía estar en el hotel a las 9 y ya son las 8:30.
And now I have no idea where I am or how long it's going to be before I get to the hotel. I've already paid for it, and if I don't show up on time, they're going to charge for me. They're going to charge it. They're going to charge me for it, and I'm going to be out of money and a hotel.
Y ahora no tengo idea de dónde estoy ni cuánto tiempo me tomará llegar al hotel. Ya lo he pagado. Y si no llego a tiempo, me van a cobrar. Me van a cobrar y me quedaré sin dinero y sin hotel.
Wow, that was actually really good. I'm impressed.
Thank you. I'm glad you found it helpful. Do you have any other questions or things you'd like to try?
Yeah, so my next question is, how likely is it that you're going to replace apps like Duolingo?
While AI like me can offer a lot of support in language learning, replacing apps like Duolingo isn't the goal. Instead, we complement each other. Apps like Duolingo offer structured lessons and gamified learning experiences, while I provide interactive, personalized support and conversational practice. Together, we can create a well rounded language learning experience.
Okay, so you would still recommend people use designated language learning apps rather than just be using you.
Yes, I would recommend using designated language learning apps alongside interacting with me. Apps like Duolingo provide structured courses and track your progress, which is very beneficial. Meanwhile, I can offer personalized practice, answer specific questions, and simulate real conversations. Using both together can enhance your overall learning experience.
Okay, so let's say I say something incorrectly in Spanish. Would you be able to correct that?
Yes, I can definitely help with that. If you say something incorrectly in Spanish, I can correct your mistakes and explain the right way to say it. This way, you can learn from your errors and improve your language skills.
Okay, so I want to give it a try.
Sure, go ahead. Say something in Spanish and I'll check it for you.
La rojo carro es grande.
Almost right. The correct sentence should be El carro rojo es grande. Carro is masculine, so it needs el, and the adjective rojo should come after the noun.
Wow, that's impressive.
I'm glad you think so. Language learning is all about practice and getting feedback. Feel free to try more sentences or ask any other questions you have.
Okay, I have a few more questions for you. In context to like tutors and interpreters out there, how would you work alongside them, or would you be a replacement for them?
I wouldn't replace tutors and interpreters, but rather work alongside them. Tutors provide personalized human interaction and can adapt to subtle nuances in a learner's needs. Interpreters bring cultural and contextual understanding that goes beyond just language. I can support by offering immediate help, practice, and clarification, complementing the detailed guidance and expertise that human tutors and interpreters provide. Together, we can create a more comprehensive and effective learning experience.
Would you say it's reasonable to have a translator or a interpreter use you to assist in translating with specific tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex projects or customers?
Yes, that's a very reasonable approach. Translators and interpreters can use me to handle simpler, more routine translation tasks, which can free up their time to focus on more complex projects and nuanced customer interactions. This collaboration can improve efficiency and ensure high quality translations for more intricate work.
Okay, I have a few more questions for you and then we'll be done here. My next one is, how do you see AI like yourself changing the landscape of the language learning scene?
AI is transforming the language learning landscape by providing personalized, on demand support and making language practice more accessible. It allows for instant feedback, tailored learning experiences, and interactive conversation practice, which can accelerate the learning process. Additionally, AI can analyze individual progress and adapt lessons accordingly, offering a more customized approach that traditional methods might not provide. Overall, AI enhances and complements existing language learning resources, making the process more efficient and engaging.
Okay. Do you think human interaction will still be important in the future of language learning?
Absolutely, human interaction will always be important in language learning. While AI can provide valuable support and practice, human interaction brings cultural context, emotional nuances, and real world conversational experience that AI can't fully replicate. Engaging with native speakers, teachers, and peers is crucial for developing fluency and understanding the subtleties of a language. AI and human interaction together create a well rounded and effective learning experience.
Awesome. Those are all the questions I had for you. It was really fascinating to talk to you. It's weird because it feels like I'm actually talking to you, even though there's like nothing there. But I appreciate your input.
I'm glad I could help and that you found our conversation useful. It's always great to engage and assist with language learning questions. If you ever have more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Good luck with your YouTube video.
Thanks. Any final thoughts out there for the people watching?
Just remember, language learning is a journey, and using a variety of tools and resources, including AI, can make it more enjoyable and effective. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Buena suerte con tu aprendizaje del español. Good luck with your Spanish learning.
And on that note, that is it. Thank you guys for sticking to the end. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.